Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing okay. We are on day 10 of Halloween, so thumbs up to that. I'm going to be doing a makeup video today. The makeup video I'm going to be doing, I haven't done one in quite a while. I love doing ones like this. I'm going to be splitting my face in half and doing two different looks. But I'm using two different palettes, but they are both CARMI MUA's palettes. If you don't know who CARMI is, he's a makeup artist. He works with Makeup Revolution. He has got two palettes out. They are available in a Superdrug. I think they're available on ASOS. Even in America, Ulta. They are on revolutionbeauty.com as well as Beauty Bay. So you can get them pretty much everywhere. So this is his first one and this is his second one. I was honoured to meet him when I was at the Superdrug Presents event, and he actually signed this and it's amazing. So I'm going to be putting these two to the test to see which makeup look and can do better, and just to have a bit of fun basically. So I'm going to shut up and get into the video. So I'm going to start off with the first one first. That's what it looks inside. It's a bit damaged there. It came like that, but it's just got worse the more times I've used it. It's not, mind you, it's not that bad, it's just a bit of a chunk missing. So yes, there are the shades in this one. I think I'm gonna use these three here, maybe, I don't know, that this one as well. So I don't know where the look's gonna start, but let's start. Just gonna take a big fluffy brush first. Go in with, have these got name shades? I think they did have name shades, and I think they had like a what do you call it? Piece of paper, plastic name sheet. I don't know. I think I lost it. Well, I did lose it, and I think it had names on. So first, I'm gonna go in with yellow, or is it mustard? It is such a nice colour. So yellow has gone on. Then I'm going to take a different brush and then go in with orange. So orange is layered up and I am loving it. I just love mustard and orange. I don't know if it's the autumnal. Mind you, those two shades could kind of be classed as autumnal or summer, don't you think? Well, I think. And right now that's the only thing that matters to me. So now that's done, I am going to go in with burgundy to go across the lid. I've put the burgundy on, so now I'm going to go back into the orange to deepen up the orange on the crease. And I am liking that so far. I'm going to take the burgundy underneath the eye. I've got like this little brush. These are new brushes. Not too sure what I think about them yet. So I'm going to take a bit of the burgundy. Yes, I am loving it. So now I've done that, I want to get some shimmer on it. So I am going to, what am I going to do? Take a brush. Oh, now this is the most important question. Which shimmer do I use? I think I want to use one of these ones. Shall I use both? So I'm going to take the darker rose gold. Well, I'm going to take this rose gold here all over, and then the pop of champagne on the lid centre. Wow, I'm liking that. And then take a bit of the champagne colour. Can you see that? I'm going to take the same brush And then I'm going to go with my finger. Ooh, can you see? I'm liking it. Not too shabby. Oh, I said that ever so delicately, didn't I? So, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take this little brush here, and with the champagne colour, I'm just going to go underneath the brow bone. So that is on the brow bone, and I am loving it. Anything else I can do? I'm going to go into the inner corner. So I'm going to go in with the inner corner, and in this one there's two highlighters. So I'm going to take this highlighter here, which is like a green shift to it. And then that is in the inner corner, and I am loving it. Just going to get a mascara to finish it off. The mascara I'm going to use is the Mascara Revolution. The mascara is done. I am loving that. So I'm not doing the highlighter yet, or the blush, bronzer. So I'm just going to go straight into this eye. So, ta-ta for now. Then on to the second one. This is not that old. Well, it's kind of old-ish, but not that old. I think it's about 3 months old. So inside this one, it looks like this. A few more extra colours and a few more extra shimmers. So, which one am I going to do with this? What look am I going to do? Yes. I feel like I want to use this green and these two greens. So I'm going to, actually I want to use this Addicted. The shades on this one are actually on the palette, which I like. So, I need to find some new brushes. I'm going to go in with Addicted first. So Addicted is on. Then I am going, oh, I didn't see this, you do you. That's a nice burgundy. Oh, I've used burgundy, so I'm going to stick with green. So I'm going to take camo. I'm going to take the same brush and go into the same motion. So green's gone on. It's a bit more winged than I liked it, but I don't know if I can make it work at the end. So camo is on, so I'm going to get rid of that brush and then bring in my smaller fluffier brush, and then go in with Ambulance Going Past. So I'm going to go in with Dark Side, which is a darker green. That's darkened it up quite a bit. Ooh, I'm going to go back in with camo to try and lighten up the crease. So I'm happy with that. Slightly, oops. I'm happy with that. Slightly more dark than I expected, but I do like it. It's very completely opposite to both sides. So the shimmers I'm going to use, I want to use this green, but do I? Is that too light? Would that lighten it up? Oh, I've just had a thought. Oh, yes, I'm going to use this Integrity. Is it Integrity? Integrity, and then a bit of this multichrome. Is it multichrome? Like petrol kind of colour, shifting colour. I know what I mean. So, what brush did I use for this one? So, I've got a brush. I'm going to use Integrity. It's a creamy one. Oops. Wow, I nearly went straight into that eye then. Yes, that's lightened it up like I expected it to. Ooh, can you see that? I like that. And then, with my finger, I'm going to take, you got this. This is amazing. Wow, I'm loving it. Can you see it on the light? I don't know. I can. So I'm going to go in with a bit more. This one seems to be better with a brush instead of on my finger. Oh, I'm loving that. So just to go underneath the eye, I'm going to take, this one's a bit chalky, but there's no fallout on the face, it's just on the pan. I'm going to take camo and go underneath the eye. I am loving it. I really am. I'm going to take under my spal, which is this one, this blue one, and then go into the inner corner. Wow, I'm loving that. So, I want a shade for underneath this. I'm going to be cheating a bit, and then I'm going to take, am I? I'm just going to go dig into his first palette again for underneath my brow bone. But I'm going to use the highlighter colour and not the same champagne colour. So technically it's a different look. Ooh, I like that. But yes, I am loving it. I'm going to go in with mascara. Exactly the same mascara. So, now that is done, I'm going to go in with the lips. The lips I'm going to use, because I only want to try out the palettes, I'm just going to go in with a Morphe lipstick. This is in a shade Jealousy. And it's just like a nice nude colour. So, lips are done. I am loving that colour. And those eyes, I am getting obsessed. Now don't get jealous. So the bronzer I'm going to use, keeping it with theme of Revolution, I'm using one of these chocolate hearts by I Heart Revolution. And I am hooked on this. I need a brush. I am hooked on this one. So bronzer is done. Then I'm going to take a highlighter, one of these highlighting strobes from Revolution, in the shade Flash. I'm just going to use the same colour both sides. Oh, actually. Shall I use the highlighters from his first palette? Could I use like one on each? Is that too dark for this side? So, I'm going to take this one for this side and this one for this side. Wish me luck, because I reckon that one might be a bit too dark. I like that. Then I'm going to take this gold one, which I think it will be too dark, so... Oh, I don't know. Excuse me. Oh no, I like it. I'm just going to take that one on the nose as well. So that is face complete. Am I happy with it? Yes, I am extremely happy with it. I love it. Now the question is, what side do I love the best? I don't know, I can't pick. Actually, I'm going to let you pick. You decide which one you like better. Leave a blue heart for this side and leave a yellow heart for this side in the comments down below. And I'm just going to let you pick because I'm not. So that is my look. I'm going to bring you in for a closer look. I'm loving the eyes. So yes, that is the complete looks. If you've got these palettes, let me know which one you prefer, and again, let me know which one you think is better. Thank you for watching. This is day 10 of Halloween Soul. I've only got another 20, is it 20 or 21? I don't know. Yeah, 21. 21 more days to go, and then I've completed it. So I shall see you all tomorrow in day 11. It's a goodbye from me, Matt. Goodbye from Rainbow Soul. Stay sassy.